Bitcoin investing. Do it. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Drew. How to buy Bitcoins on Coinbase, step by step, by passive profits. There are multiple ways to buy Bitcoin, but perhaps the easiest and safest way to buy Bitcoin is through an exchange like Coinbase. This short tutorial will show you how to buy Bitcoin on this popular exchange. Coinbase is a popular site because it is fairly easy to use. Actually, really easy to use. Coinbase reported 11.7 million users in October 2017. That is more than Charles Schwab with 10.6 million active brokerage accounts. This is a lot more now, but this is the best stat that I can give you to show you how large Coinbase is. For context, Schwab has been around for decades, while Coinbase literally launched 5 to 10 years ago. This video is where you need to be before you get started on Coinbase. To get started, you're going to need a valid photo ID, such as a driver's license, a bank account, or a credit card. A minimum account size is not required at Coinbase. You can buy Bitcoin at Coinbase and then ship it to your private wallet, leaving a zero account balance at Coinbase if you like. Sometimes people think that is safer. However, Coinbase is FDIC insured. This is important. Coinbase has had no serious hacks. Perhaps the safest way to hold Bitcoin is actually in Coinbase. You will need valid identification, such as a driver's license or a photo ID. Some exchanges require a selfie of you holding your identification card. You will upload your ID directly on the Coinbase website. For security purposes, Coinbase doesn't allow you to send your ID by email. You need a bank account or credit card. During, as they say, due diligence, Coinbase will send a few pennies to your bank account. Then you must verify the amount to Coinbase. All this is just for verification and authentication purposes. Like any bank or money transmitter, open your Coinbase account once you are ready to sign up for an account. Go to the account sign up page. Simply fill in the required fields to open your account. You will be prompted to upload your ID and verify your bank account or credit card as you go. Simply follow the prompts as they appear to complete account setup. Once you have opened an account at Coinbase, you will see its dashboard with the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and a lot of other cryptocurrencies, along with a chart of Bitcoin. Buying Bitcoin, scroll up to the top of the main Coinbase page and click on the buy/sell icon. A screen will pop up. You can specify a dollar amount of Bitcoin you want, and the website will display the amount of BTC, also known as Bitcoin, you would receive for the amount. There is, however, a 3.8% fee of the purchase price. It sucks, but literally the price today, as I'm sitting in late 2020, the price of Bitcoin just rose over $24,000. That is crazy, and I expect it to go way higher. Way higher. So after the fees, hit confirm and buy your Bitcoin. You are now an owner of your Bitcoin. Then hopefully you will see a green check indicating the purchase was successful. Good for you. Return to the dashboard and there will be a summary of the account and its activity, including the purchase. This is important. Setting up recurring buys. This is one approach to buying an investment with a fluctuating price like Bitcoin, is called dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is buying a fixed amount every month to average in your cost basis. Dollar cost averaging works well for investors who are buying stocks or cryptocurrencies on a fixed monthly budget. Coinbase allows you to set up this kind of recurring transaction straight from your dashboard if you wish. Simply check the Repeat This Buy box on the buy or sell page and choose the frequency of your recurring purchase. Coinbase is a good way to get started with buying Bitcoin and altcoins because of its ease of use. It offers a ton of other types of cryptocurrencies as well and services. The market is huge. Bitcoin is surging in price and is expected to go way higher. Don't forget to use the link down below or you won't get the free $15 of Bitcoin when you make your first deposit. That link is in the description below. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Think about subscribing and don't forget to grab the link down below.